Let us look at this question. A baby is 3 weeks and 4 days old. What is its age in days? Saka ndiwo mubvunzo watinoda kuanza, and let us do the answering. Saka taudzwa kuti a baby is 3 weeks and 4 days. And the question is, what is its age in days? So we are told that it is 3 weeks and 4 days. So kana chiti 3 weeks and 4 days, mind you, tinogona kuinyora takatichi 3 weeks plus 4 days. We can replace the word and, cannot the term and, with plus. So 3 weeks and 4 days becomes 3 weeks plus 4 days. So atiri kutaura mururimi rwamai tiri kuti 3 weeks ne 4 days pamusoro, tinogona kungoti 3 weeks plus 4 days. But then we have to appreciate kuti 1 week is equal to 7 days. Saka kana 1 week really equal to 7 days, what about 3 weeks? So there are many methods of converting from weeks to days, but ndotanga ni the most intuitive method. So kana 1 week is 7 days, ko kana ma week acho ava 3. 1 week is 7 days, ko kana tava ne ma week ari 3. Zvongoreva kuti inova chi 3 times 7 days. Saka pata converta 3 weeks to days, tova tati plus 4 days. Question yedu yati, what is its age in days? Kureva kuti we should convert everything to days. What is 3 times 7? 7, 14, 21. So tukuti 21 days plus 4 days. And our final answer panapa is what? 25 days. That is going to be our final answer. Saka now ingori papa, if we understand our question yedu iri kungoda kuti ti convert 3 weeks to days, then we add what we get to 4 days, so that we have a total of the days which constitute the age of the baby. But now what I want to explain further is, tikauya panapa a method number 2, and this is going to be called proportion. Tirikuda kuconverta 3 weeks to days. Ngatiti hatina kushandisa the straightforward intuitive method, which is just multiplying 3 times 7. Since tichiziva kuti mu 1 week mune 7 days, so mu 3 weeks munofangwa kuva ne 3 times 7 days. Ngatiti toda kushandisa proportion. So kana chishandisa proportion, let me do this to create more space. I want to teach you kuti munoshandisa sei proportion, but I also want you to remember kuti zvatinoda kuita panapa, tirikuda kuita convert 3 weeks to days. Ndo zvatirikuda kuita achieve. Okay. Saka proportion yedu tichaishandisa sei? Zvatichaita ndeizvi, tichati 1 week tinoziva kuti ri equivalent to chi? To 7 days. Mubvunzo wakuti what about 3 weeks? So 1 week is equivalent to 7 days. What about 3 weeks? It is equivalent to, we do not know how many days. Saka tichati x days, like this. I know hangu kuti at this point hatisati taita algebra inoti introduce her to different letters and symbols representing numbers, but I think this is going to make sense. Saka zvirikuitika apa ndezvekuti 1 week is 7 days. This is what we call a true statement. So this is a true statement. Like that. 1 week, 7 days. Then manje 3 weeks ma days mangani. This is now what our question. Saka aya ari 2 aya, I call them statements of proportionality. These are called statements of proportionality, kana kuti in simpler terms statements of proportion. Saka ma statements aya mufanira kugona kumanyora. The first statement, the true statement, 1 week 7 days. 1 week is equal to equivalent to 7 days. Then the next statement is now the question. 3 weeks ma days mangani, we don't know, so we represent the number of days with x. Then tadai, so our next step is, after tanyora ma statements of proportion edu are correct, tichabva tati 1/3 kuroti panapa tangoisa chi a division line to replace ma semicolon aya na equal to, then kunoku inenge yachi 7/x. Saka method yatava imanje ndiye kuti takuita se takuita form an equation. Saka we form an equation zvataitapo. We take the left side and to convert that into a fraction 1/3. Ma semicolon aya ndo ma semicolon aya toma replace na equal sign. Then we take the right side to form a fraction over 7/x. Then let us do the solving. Saka pakusolve apa, what is our end goal? Chii chatiri kuda kuita achieve, chii chatiri kuwana from solving this. Chatiri kuda kuwana ndechekuti tiri kuda kuti x ave kuside rake ega, tounganidza manamba kuside rawo ega, kuti x ive equal to something. So if we want to achieve this, look at the trick we are going to use. Tichauya panapa to multiply a fraction iri kunoku na x. But because we are egalitarian people, we are fair people, zvatinenge taita ku right tinofanirwa zvakare kuzviita ku left, kureva kuti since kunoku tati times x, kunoku tichati futi times x kuti tibalance our equation. So the reason why tiri kuti times x inawe kuti ma x akachekana kunoku kuti kusare 7, kunoku x acha multiply 1/3 kuti ive x/3. Saka x/3 iri equal to 7. Saka ndo mabvisiro atinoita x from being a numerator to being a denominator. Tino multiply kuside kuna x na x. But zvatinge taita kuside ikoko tinofanirwa kuzviita kune rimwe side re equal sign, so that tinosara tina x times 1/3 is equal to 7, of which x times 1 ndi x. And then panapa since pasina chiri multiply 3 inongodzoka yakadaro. So x/3 is equal to 7. But atisati tasvika, chatiri kuda isusu ndi x. Saka tichada kubvisa 3 uyu. Since 3 ari kudivide, kuti timubvise tinoisa 3 ari kumultiply kuitira kuti ma 3 achekane. But zvatinenge taita ku left tichazviita futi kuchi ku right, kureva kuti tikacheka kunoku like this, handika kosara kuina x is equal to 7 times 3 ndi 21, totendero wedu kuti days. Se izvi inenge yatobuda. Saka instead of kuita zvataita panapa zvongoti 3 times 7, which is intuitive, tinogona kuzviita through proportion. Totoziva kuti 3 weeks dzinenge dziri equal to 21 days. Ndo zvatinogona kuita. Do you have any question pa the method of proportion? Because I want to erase this part, ndoda kuintroduce a third method which I call the chain method, so that we can learn a lot of methods which we can use. So our method number 3, I call it the chain method. And you are going to know kuti why nchidaro. Saka we should not forget our question. We want to convert 3 weeks into days. That's our question. How do we go about it? Saka panapa tichatanga tagadzira yandinoti a chain diagram. Saka chain yacho toda kuconverta chitu weeks to days, but manyorero atinoita totanga nechinge chiri of a lower degree. Saka tinoti days toataisa line panapa toti weeks seizvi. Mukuzona days and weeks like that. Then how many days do we have in a week? We only have 7 days, such as a 7 pakat up like this. Saka takuda kuziva kuti tinoita sei na 7 kuti tibve kuma days tichienda kuma weeks. Tinoda zvakare kuziva kuti tinoita sei na 7 patinobva kuma weeks tichienda kuma days. Saka panapa tichaita ka trial katichaita. So tichati kokana tiine let me say 7 days, because apa toda ma days tichienda ma weeks, tinoita sei kuti tive na ma weeks? Tikadivide na 7 tinowana chi 1 week. Saka muri kuzviona here kuti kubva kuma days tichienda kuma weeks we divide with 7. That's the conclusion we wanted panapa. From days to weeks we divide by 7 and tazvitesta by taking a simple example. How about we have a week? And tine 1 week. Tikada kuenda kuma days and ticha multiply 1 week na 7 kuti tiwane 7 days. Since we already know kuti in a week we have 7 days. Kureva kuti kubva kuma weeks tichienda kuma days tino multiply nani na 7. Saka ka diagram ikaka kandokanenge kachinzi ka chain diagram. Ndiyo chain method yacho. Days to weeks pakati pana 7. Kubva ku days tichienda ku weeks tino divide na 7. Tazvitesta. Kubva ku weeks tichienda ku days tino multiply na 7. Tazvitesta. Saka tava neka ka chain diagram kedu. One thing I want to tell you is the reason why we put out many methods in a way kuti we are people of different abilities. Saka umwe anogona kubata method yakati kudarika mabatiro anoita imwe method, umwe wanobatawo method yakati kudarika mabatiro anoita imwe method. The gist of it is zvamunofanirwa kuita, you have to pick a method of best fit. Method yamunonyanya kunzwisisa ndo yamunotora moenda nayo. Kana mine method yamusiri kunzwisisa zvakanaka, you can as well just ignore it and focus on the method which reflects your strengths best. So after we have that diagram, let us go back to our question. Question yedu iri kuti a baby is 3 weeks and 4 days old. What is its age in days? Saka we want to convert 3 weeks into days. Tikubva kuma weeks tichienda kuma days. Sati tangonyora statement racho takati 3 weeks is equal to tikubva ma weeks tichienda kuma days. Saka inge iri 3 times 7 which gives us 21 days like that. So that's another method we can use. It's a simple method. It's a beautiful method. So if you have any questions, you can use the comments section. But if you want to get in touch with us for other business like tutoring and extra lessons, WhatsApp us on this particular number. But if you are in Zimbabwe, you can as well just say 071 521 3310 like that.